Okay, go.
Get more on this side, I think. Get a better angle. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, get it.
Right there. Back and forth. This way. Pull it. There you go. Pull it like that. There you go. Push it. And pull it back. Keep going.
Oh, can you do it?
I was gonna let you guys cut it down, and I'll stand over here and watch.
I want to do it.
It's your turn, go.
I'll do whatever.
No, I'm just kidding. Come on, Luke.
Hold on.
Luke's turn. All right, get right here
That hurts.
so you can pull it. Here, get more right here.
Ow, ow.
Sorry.
Is this your first time cutting down yourself?
I think so. You can do it.
Why am I the one that has to do it?
Can I be the one who
What?
does the last part? I want to be the falls.
I thought you guys wanted to be the cutters. I'm taking a video.
Oh, I know. Dad, can I cut the last part?
Okay, Mom's turn.
I've already changed it.
Somebody keep this from slapping me in the face. It's not funny.
We're kind of enjoying that part.
Yeah, it's funny.
When it comes down, are you guys going to yell timber?
Yep. Can I cut it now? Dad, can I cut now?
Oh, please do.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Should you help her?
You gotta pull back.